on the chair.
Mama, open the fridge.
Let's see. Maybe a pizza? Some rice? Soup? Meat? Salad? Eggs? Porridge? French fries? I don't know what you want.
Oh, idea! I want a burger.
But we don't have a burger.
Let's cook.
Let's cook a burger. So, let's make a burger. What should we take? Yes, right. Let's take the round bun. Next, let's take the lettuce. Then, let's take the patty. Anya, what should we choose next? Some fruits or vegetables?
Mommy, vegetables. Of course.
Okay, let's take some vegetables. Let's take tomatoes. Oh, let's take some cucumbers. It looks delicious. Let's put on top the round bun. The burger is ready. Yummy! Eggs. Eggs. Burger. Porridge. Porridge. Pizza. Pizza. Soup. Soup. Rice. Rice. French fries. French fries. Salad. Salad. Meat. Meat. Let's play now. I will show you the pictures and you will answer me what is hiding there. Let's start. Look. It's
Burger.
What is this? Eggs.
Eggs.
What is this?
It's strawberry.
No.
Porridge.
What is this?
It's pizza.
What is this?
Meat.
What is this?
Carrot. French fries.
What is this?
It's soup.
What is this?
Salad.
It's a salad. is this? Rice. Great job!
Oh, I'm full. Mommy. I'm thirsty.
Do you want to drink? Milk?
No.
Water?
No.
Tea?
No.
Juice?
Yes. Mommy, do you have any sweets?
Yes, I'm coming. Choose.
Chocolate. Cookie. Candy. Ice cream. Yes.
Water. Water. Milk. Milk. Juice. Juice. Tea. Tea. Candies. Candies. Cookies. Cookies. Chocolate. Chocolate. Ice cream. Ice cream. Now, let's play one more time. If I'm hungry, I will say, I'm hungry, I want to eat. If I'm thirsty, I will say, I'm thirsty, I want to drink. Okay? And I will ask you for some food or drink. Let's start. I'm thirsty. I want to drink. Can you give me some milk? Milk. Great, thank you. I'm hungry. I wanna eat. Can you give me the chocolate? Do you have the chocolate? Yes, thank you. I'm thirsty. Can you give me some water? Water. Yes, thank you. I'm hungry. I want some cookies. Can you give me the cookies? Thank you. I'm thirsty. I want to drink. Can you give me the juice? I want the juice. Thank you. I'm still hungry. I want to eat, for example, the ice cream. Can you give me the ice cream? Thank you. I'm thirsty. I want to drink. Can you give me a cup of tea? I want a cup of tea. Great! Thank you! I'm hungry. I want candies. A lot of candies. Can you give me the candies? Where are the candies? Yes! Thank you! See you next time!